It's Wednesday. We're almost done with this week. We're on week 31, day 3. We're going to grade some math. We're grading 3.4, 4 through 40 even. It's 19 problems, so it's out of 19. Okay, so here we go. 4. It says, solve the equation, and does it have one solution, or is it an identity, or does it have no solution? So the answer is 3/5. And then this is one solution, right? Number 6, you should have got it to just 3 equals 3, which is, they're all real. It's an identity. Or it's true. I think is how they did it in the... Okay. Number 8, you should have got to 10, which is one solution. Okay. Number 10 is B. Number 12 is 1/2, or 0.5. Okay. Number 14 is 1 1/2, or 1.5. 16 is 1 1/2, or 1.5. 18 is -27. Solve the equation if possible. Well, that sounds fun. 20 is 1/2, or 0.5, if you have that. Okay, there's my tripod's right here, so I have to like reach around it. Okay, 21, or 22, sorry, 22, I can do this, is no solution. You can't solve it. It won't work, okay? Because if you move that 4, it's going to leave a 0 on that side. Okay? 24 is no solution. 26 is 1. 28 is -1. 30 is 5/6. 32 is true. They're all real numbers, so it's true or equal. They equal each other. Okay. 34 is 5. 36 is -2. 38 is 1/2, or 0.5. And then 40 is true, or they're all real. Okay, so out of 19, how many did you get wrong? Okay, so today we're going to be working on 3.5. So we're doing lesson 3.5. I'm on page 160. So open your book up to page 160. Okay, so linear equations. So this is where we have y equals mx plus b, right? That's a linear equation. Okay. Yeah, except for I don't like this. Yeah, I don't like this lesson. So I skip. We're going to lesson 3.6. I didn't like that lesson, so we're moving on. So this is page 166. Let me make myself a note in case I ever get to this book again. Maybe Philip will hit this book. Jasmine. Okay, so 3.6. I'm on page 166. Okay, solving decimal equations. So the most important thing about decimals is that you line it up. Use your calculator. Okay, you guys have one, use it. Okay. So they say this 3x equals 12.89, right? 3 pizzas. I want 3 pizzas. Each pizza costs this. So you're going to divide by 3, which this is going to equal 4.2966666, repeating. Use your calculator for this, okay? It will make life easier. Which then you say, okay, well, we're dealing with money, right? So I need 2 to... This 6 is going to make that 9 bigger, which is going to make the 2 bigger. So this is $4.30 kind of each. Okay? What did I use your calculator? You have one. I just choked on my spit. Okay, here we go. Negative 38x minus 39 equals 118. So using your calculator on this is not going to help you. So you need to get it to the dividing part. Okay, so I'm going to plus 39 plus 39. If you want to use your calculator for that, you could. 157, so negative 38x equals that. So dividing by negative 38, divide by negative 38. Use your calculator. Okay? So this is going to equal negative 4.1315, whatever. It's going to keep going. So I'm looking at the first 2 here. This one is going to do nothing. So the equivalent is 4.13. Done. Okay? How many times am I going to say use your calculator? You got a phone? Use it, or nab one from your parents. Use your parents' phone. I don't know. Okay. Same thing. You're doing the same thing, but when you get to that hard dividing part, use your calculator. Okay, so 3.58x minus 37.40. It looks like a lot, but it's the same thing we were doing yesterday. Okay, so I'm going to plus 37.40 plus 30. Line up your decimals. Okay, so 2, 7, 15, carry the 1 is 45.72. And then you can minus 0.23x minus 0.23x. So this will be 3.53. X equals that. 45.72. Use your calculator. Which this is going to get you to, on your calculator it should say 13.6477619, something like that. Okay, so we're looking at the first 2 here. That 7 is going to bump this one up to 5. Okay, so this will be 13.65. That's your answer. Okay. Okay. Okay, so your problems today, use your calculator. I'll say that like 15 times. Okay, so we are doing lesson 3.6. We'll do 6 through 42. Even. Had you going there. Okay, 6 through 42 even. See you tomorrow.